What is going on, YouTube? It is finally time to start stripping down the GS550 Cafe Racer project and get it ready for paint. So I'm going to paint the frame black. I'm going to pull the motor. I'm not going to rebuild it. I don't have time to do that before the show. I will rebuild the motor eventually, just because why not? But for now, I'm just going to pull the motor out. I'm going to clean it up, paint it. I'll paint the frame, and I'll paint all the metal. I'd like to maybe redo the seat at some point, but again, don't know if I'll have enough time for that before the show. So right now I'm still using that old seat, but it is time to strip the motorcycle. Stick around. Okay, more than likely, I'm gonna get you guys set up on a time lapse here. Hopefully I can get around any copyright, not using any copyrighted music, but let's get to it. All right, I have turned this motorcycle into a pile of parts. I got the old engine out, got all the stuff off of it. Surprisingly simple. I mean, there's not a lot to it. So that's why I love old bikes. They're easy to work on. But I'm gonna take this up to the school now, so I can sandblast the frame. I'm gonna blast everything, including the swing arm. Start over from scratch. I'm gonna repaint all the frame black, get it nice gloss, beautiful black. I'm gonna clean up the tank, the tail fairing, the fender, the headlight. I'm still gonna take apart the front end, but I like that I can roll it because I actually want to roll it up to the school, and I'll take that all apart at the school, just be easier. But there you go. There's a rolling chassis. There's my motor. There's all my stuff. Easy, easy. I didn't mention it, but that toolbox right there is actually full of all my hardware. Everything's labeled as I pull the engine mounts and everything off. If I couldn't put the bolts back in the holes, I put them in bags and I put them in that toolbox. So they're all in there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Probably a little bit of a short video. I don't think it was too long. But next thing that's going to be happening is I'll be finishing stripping this thing down. I'll be sandblasting the wheels. I'll be cleaning it up and painting it. And obviously once I start painting it and parts start going back on, that's really when it's going to start looking creme de la creme. It's when it's going to start looking nice. I got some really good paint going on this. So make sure you stick around for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. As always, go build something like that car, like that motorcycle, or like this car, or like this car here, or like an airplane, and be easy.